Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're going to start by fixing the most common root causes. First, check and correct your device date and time. An incorrect clock breaks SSL validation. Next, disconnect any active VPNs or proxies because they can route you through untrusted certificates. Reconnect to your normal network. Finally, keep the exact Safari error message and URL visible. This helps later when you compare certificate details. Once done, proceed immediately to inspecting the secure connection details. Now you'll dig into the browser and local data. Open the problematic site in Safari and tap the lock icon to view certificate details, check issuer, validity dates, and whether the certificate matches the site name. This tells you if the server or certificate is at fault. Then clear Safari cache, cookies, and website data in settings to remove stale certificate states. After clearing, restart Safari and load the page again. If it's a cached certificate issue, this often resolves it quickly. Finish by making sure your system trusts current certificates. Update iOS or Mac OS and reboot so root stores refresh. If the site uses a private certificate you control, install and mark it trusted in profiles or keychain access. Only do this when you're sure it's safe. If problems persist, reset network settings to clear stubborn configurations, then reconnect and retry the site. Troubleshooting tip. If the error remains, test the site from another device or network to isolate whether it's your device or the server.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.